welcome back to my channel. I would just like to share a little project with you today, and it's because it's the end of the school year here in the UK and my son is special needs, so at his school you don't leave till you're 19 and you tend to have a lot of carers and a lot of staff that work with you. So I have made 10 of these gifts for his teachers, but it will be his very last day ever because he does leave for good this time, which is a little bit sad, but at the same time, you know, they have to move on and leave school, don't they? But, you know, but anyway, I just started bringing you some projects that I've made that are like the card, the gifts that I give to his teachers this year, and it's like a little leaving present. So the first thing is this card. The backing paper here I just did myself. I just did some squiggles to make it like a cow patch pattern. It's real red cardstock and the image is from Over the Moon from Stampin' Up. I think it's really gorgeous, I really do. And I love the little saying, "You're utterly fantastic." So I've made 10 of those, and inside there is some writing, and I've punched a little circle here. I don't know if you can see that. You should be able to. That is there for a reason. That is there because I have made these little key rings. It's like a little train ticket, and it says, "First class, thank you for being a first class part of my journey. Who it's to, from Zach H," which is my son, and then valid from. Now this particular person has been there the whole time that Zach's been at that school, and that's September 11 to July 19. The date I've changed out according to who it is and how long they've worked with him. Some have only been there while he's been in sixth form, but like Lester here, he's been with him right from the very start, and he's like one of the favourite teachers that Zach likes to work with. Another project that I've done is this. It's just a nice little box. It's one of these little diagonal fold boxes, and this is just a belly band, so they can pull that off, and it says, "Thanks for being one mint teacher." The reason it says that is because when you open up the box, there you go, it's full of some little imperial mints. Just a little cutie thing, I thought, and I thought it was just a nice little gift. But yeah, I mean, the thing is they could keep the belly band separate and then they could reuse that gift box for somebody else, couldn't they? Imagine getting a diamond ring in that. Yeah, not in my lifetime. Nice thought though, isn't it? And they just go back on really simply and easily. Well, I'm saying simply and easily, my fingers are all over the place tonight. There we go. That's back on there. I did do them in different colours. We did it in the purple stripe, the turquoise polka dots, and we did this yellow wiggly thing. The cardstock that I've used here is So Saffron. That one is Highland Heather, and that one is Tempting Turquoise, although that one's no longer available, so I am using up my stock. So that's one part of the gift. The keyring was the other. They get a card, plus they get this. And this has got 4 bars of chocolate in, along with 2 little packs of Love Art Sweeties, which people in the UK will know what they are. You know, they're a little sherbety type sweet, and it says like, "I love you," or "Be mine," and things like that. Actually, I didn't realise I'd tied a knot in it, otherwise I'd open it and show you. But I made a little divider in it, just to divide up the box a little bit. I have used the Delightful punch. Delightful tag punch, sorry, for making all the tags on them. And this one is the Pretty Label punch. And I just punched it out. I stamped this on from the Delightful Day stamp set as well. It just all went together really nicely. So that's what my teachers will be getting. They will get a box of chocolates and little Love Art Sweeties, a little box of mints, a lovely little wood keyring that they can clip on the keys and things like that, which is, it's just I think that's a really nice reminder, you know, of the time that they've worked with Zach. And then a lovely little card just to say thank you. So I'm really hoping that they like them, and you know, I just like to show a little bit of gratitude to us teachers, because at the end of the day they work with our children. They probably know our children as well as we do, and they deserve a medal for whatever they do. And I can be honest and say that the teachers at this school, they deserve a lot more than this. They really do, because, you know, when they're working with the children that are special needs, there's obviously a lot more involved, and, well, they've worked wonders with my son. I can honestly say that he has come so far. So, yeah, this is my thank you to my teachers. So I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.